Hey guys, in this episode we're going to do a review of the Wingman of the Road swag. I'm here down Kangaroo Valley in Australia at this amazing campground, and so I'm going to do a review on this. I've had a few different swags in my time and hiking tents and so forth. This is from England, this swag, and so I ordered it online. I think it was about 800 Aussie dollars. So as you can see, it's got a flap on this side, which I've actually just jimmied a stick on the side to hold it up, hold the flap up. And it's got this mesh here on this side. It's also, so this here also goes down and covers this side. And you've got this flap sticking out here, and on their website you can actually, they've got a motorcycle helmet hanging up under here, but I prefer mine inside the tent and just for spiders and that sort of thing. So on this side, what makes it special about being a motorcycle helmet, swag, is it's got this which is strapped to my bike. So this is him set up, strapped to my bike, so I've just anchored that off the mirror. I don't really need to tie this. If it was raining, I would probably have the bike closer, that hanging over a bit more. This side you've got this another flap here, and there's mesh on either end, and on the inside you've got the covers. See, on some swags they actually got the cover on the outside, so it makes it hard in the middle of the night to close it, but on this one it's got it on the inside. And now this side's got the mesh as well, and it's got this black side here. This folds down and covers it, so that's just a bit of canvas there. And here's this outer one. Now what I really like about this canvas, it is super thick. Now I've used this in pouring down rain and not even a drop of water got inside. And so when it's rolled up, it's all rolled up, and this is actually the canvas on the outside, and so that becomes a little grounder mat where you can stick your stuff, and I've got a few things there. I'll probably put more stuff there later. And so here's your main pole. So literally took me, I could do it in probably a minute or less actually, setting this up. Took me, I don't know, 5 minutes, just because I anchored this side onto the fence here, and let's go inside, shall we? So here's the inside. So it comes with this inbuilt, that's my inliner, inbuilt mattress, which is 50mm mattress I think, and this sleeping bag. Now it said it's a 4-season, I think, 4-season. But I tell ya, last time I slept in this on the snowy trip, I froze my ass off. But that's where I've got my helmet hanging up there. Got a lot of the few hanging things. Little pocket here. That's pretty cool. And see how these flap roll down. So I'll leave this open all night. It's quite warm. I should mention the zips, super heavy duty. They are awesome. So all it takes to do this, put this up, is there's 2 of these on each end. So you just put these in, these poles, and literally you put this one in the middle, stretch it out, and it clamps shut like that, and then that's it. Literally set up. And so I get some actual poles to stick here through those eyelets, and should be Mickey Mouse, but that's him. That's a quick review of the Wingman of the Road swag. This is the Goose swag, which is the bigger version, and it still fits on my bike perfectly across the back seat. So I don't have a pillion, couldn't really carry a pillion if I had this on the bike actually. So, but it fits 2 people. Zips are really good, really waterproof. Used it in pouring rain. really thick canvas. Comes with the inbuilt liner and sleeping bag. And now it says it's like 4 seasons on the website. It's going to get down to 10 or 11 degrees tonight, so I'd really test it out. And in the snowy mountains, it got to 5 to 0 and I froze my ass off. So that night, I did have a really good sleep. Although I was wearing thermals and I did have that inner liner inside that sleeping bag that comes with the swag. But anything below 5 degrees Celsius, I'd recommend thermals with this swag. Anything below 0 degrees, I would be actually adding another sleeping bag. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out our other videos, our other reviews, as this is capturing the ride. Riding on amazing roads to amazing locations, capturing every moment along the way and camping under the stars. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you again soon.